Good morning students and welcome back in our video lecture with the same topic acids, bases and salts. Student, in my previous video lecture we have studied about strong acid and weak acid. Also we have studied about strong base and weak base. So today we are going to study about types of acids, types of bases and also types of salts. So first we will start from types of acids. Student, in nature there are two types of acids, organic acid and inorganic or mineral acid. So what is mean by organic acid? Students, you all know about this. Acids containing carbon, normally those acids which have carbon atom in them or the acids which consist of carbon atom are called organic acids. And you all know all plants and all animals, also human beings, we are also, all these things are made up of carbons, means these things consist of carbons. So normally organic acids are naturally occurring compounds found in various types of plants and animals. Got it student? What is mean by organic acid? These organic acids are naturally occurring chemical compounds and these are found in various types of plants and animals. And I will just tell you how to identify these organic acids. Those acids which contains carbons in them, formula consists of carbon, then they are called organic acids. Then what are the examples of organic acid? Acetic acid, its formula is CH3COOH. Then citric acid, formic acid having formula HCOOH. So you can see here these acids consist of carbon atom. That's why these acids are called organic acids. Then also lactic acid which we found in buttermilk. Then citric acid we found in lemon juice. Acetic acid is present in vinegar and formic acid is present in ant sting. So all these acids are organic acids. Why these are organic acids? Because these acids containing carbon, and second thing is these acids are naturally occurring compounds and found in various types of plants and animals. Then what is mean by inorganic or mineral acid? And one more thing about organic acids, these acids are generally weak acids. Okay, then inorganic or mineral acids. So these acids do not contain carbon. That's why they are called mineral acid or inorganic acid. And these acids are prepared from the mineral of the earth. Means these acids consist of minerals which are present inside the earth. And normally these inorganic acids, mineral acids are strong acids. So what are the examples? HCl. Students, we have discussed about names of these acids. So what is name of HCl? Hydrochloric acid. Then H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and HNO3, nitric acid. So you can see in the formula there is no carbon atom present in these acids. That's why these are called inorganic or mineral acids, and these acids are prepared from the minerals of the earth. And all these acids are strong acids and mainly we use these acids in our laboratory. Okay students, got it? What is mean by organic acid and what is mean by inorganic acid? I hope you got all points related to organic and inorganic acid. Okay, then we will study about types of bases. So types of bases are also two types of bases, organic bases and inorganic bases. So normally bases consist of hydroxyl OH minus ions, and in organic bases usually they contain nitrogen atom. Then examples are pyridine, alkymides like methylamine. Then what is mean by inorganic bases? Inorganic bases, these bases do not contain carbons as like inorganic acids, and these are also prepared from minerals of the earth. So examples are sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, then NH4OH. You can see here carbon atom is not present. So we have studied about these acids. These are strong. We have studied about these bases. These are strong bases. Okay. So sodium hydroxide KOH, these are inorganic bases. Normally inorganic acids and inorganic bases both are strong in nature. Got it student? Then what will happen when these acids and bases combines? We are going to study this point in our next video lecture in detail. That reaction is called neutralization reaction. What is mean by neutralization reaction? When acids and bases react with each other, they form salt and water. That reaction is called neutralization, that we will study in our next video lecture in detail. But we have in this video lecture we are going to study about types of salt. So when this neutralization reaction occurs, salts are formed. Then what are the types of salt? There are three types of salts: neutral salt, acidic salt and basic salts. As the name indicates, what is meant by neutral salt? When we dissolve this neutral salt in water, the solution form is neutral in nature, means we cannot see any type of change in color of indicator. Got it, student? So these are normally neutral in nature. So how these neutral salts are formed? When strong acids and strong bases react with each other, the salt form is neutral salt, and it is neutral in nature. Examples are NaCl, means sodium chloride, nothing but it is salt which we use in our kitchen, and Na2SO4 means sodium sulfate. Then what is meant by acidic salt? As the name indicates, acidic. When we dissolve this salt in water, the solution form is acidic in nature. Got it, student? So what is the color change of litmus in acidic solution? Blue litmus turns red. So these are acidic salts. When strong acid and weak base reacts with each other, the salt form is acidic salt. Examples are ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl, and ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4. Got it, student? And third type is basic salt. As the name indicates, when these salt are dissolved in water, the solution form is basic in nature. So how these salts are formed? By adding strong base and weak acid. So examples are sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. These are strong bases, means these are strong, means we can say these salts are strongly basic in nature. Got it, student? So today we have discussed about types of acids and types of bases. So what are the types of acids? Organic acid and inorganic or mineral acid. In inorganic acids, mainly carbon is present, and these are found in various types of plants and animals like acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, lactic acid. What about inorganic or mineral acid? Do not contain carbon, and these are prepared from minerals of the earth, and normally these are strong acids: HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. As like this, what are the types of bases? Organic bases and inorganic bases. Also inorganic bases are strong bases: NaOH, KOH and NH4OH. Then types of salt, there are three types of salts: neutral salt, acidic salt and basic salt. Neutral salts are neutral in nature, acidic salts are acidic in nature, and basic salts are basic in nature. So we have discussed about types of acids, bases and types of salts, and also we have discussed about 2 to 3 examples of each type. I hope you got all points related to these types of acid, bases and salt. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.